Welcome to Harmonyville, a town where every color of the rainbow blooms in harmony. At the heart of the town lies the Rainbow Garden, a symbol of the town's unity and diversity.
Class, tomorrow we're visiting the Rainbow Garden to learn about different cultures.
I can't wait to see the flowers from my grandmother's homeland.
And we get to play some cool traditional games too.
I've read so much about the garden's history. It's a place where stories from all over the world come together.
Yeah, and taste the food. I heard there's going to be a lot of delicious dishes.
But not everything was bright in Harmonyville. A big corporation planned to replace the Rainbow Garden with a shopping center, leaving the town in dismay.
We can't let them take our garden. It's part of who we are.
Let's show them what the garden means to us. What if we organize a festival?
Great idea! We can share stories and traditions from the garden's cultures.
And I'll get my dad to help. He knows how to get things done.
The children worked tirelessly, reaching out to their families and neighbors. Everyone brought something special to the table, literally and figuratively.
These are traditional dishes from my family's heritage.
This game is all about teamwork, just like our town.
Each of these stories tells a tale from a different part of the world.
Check out these dance moves from my ancestors.
The festival was a hit, not just in Harmonyville, but all over the world, as videos went viral. Touched by the town's unity, the corporation withdrew its plans. Harmonyville's Rainbow Garden continued to flourish, a testament to the power of diversity and community. And for Luna, Aiden, May, and Eli, it was a reminder that even the smallest voices can make the biggest difference.